We are headed to Universal because we were able to get in an hour early. We walked over from our resort next door to the Sapphire Falls Resort, and we're gonna take the water taxi over. So we're gonna see how quickly that can get us there. It's 7:36 now, so hopefully we get there before 8. Alright, so it's 7:52. We're walking into Universal at this moment. The ferry boat is where it's at. That thing took maybe 5 minutes to show up, and less than 5 minutes to get us over here. So yeah, win for us. Okay, so we just walked in. The 2 rides that you can get on for the hour of early admission is Minion Mayhem, which we're coming up on. And I'm honestly not a big fan of the ride, so we chose not to do it. But you can also go into the Harry Potter area and run Gringotts and get some pretty awesome photos, I would assume, because it's going to be basically empty. So that's where we're going. And look at this Halloween Horror Night stuff. That's cool. 30 years of 30 beers. Right here next to the Minion Mayhem. All of the Halloween Horror Night stuff right here next to all the kids stuff. That's hilarious. Guys, we will be back in October for Halloween Horror Nights because Wade is gonna go for the first time ever. I'm gonna go for my first time, but I'm really worried about it. Terrified. So we're gonna go get on Gringotts.
Easily my favorite part of this entire park.
Above our political mustache. Do you want your receipt?
If you don't mind.
Oh, absolutely. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
You too.
Enjoy.
Alright, the first Butterbeer of this trip. Definitely unfrozen is the way to go. The cold Butterbeer.
You got a stash.
Yep.
I love this stuff. It It's never too early for a Butterbeer.
Nope.
I did see somebody eating ice cream just a minute ago. I was thinking to myself, it might be too early, but it's vacation. Orange fizz, I can't remember the name, and the lemon squash, that's what it is. I was gonna get this one and the fishy green ale, but he said that they were out of it, and I asked if I could maybe get it later today, and he said they'd probably be out for another month. So when we come back in October, I'm definitely trying that, because it's supposed to be like a minty, like a gingery, cinnamony type drink, and that just sounds like, actually it'll be perfect because it'll be actual fall then, and it just sounds great. So about to try these for the first time. I'm really excited. This one looks really fancy, doesn't it?
It really does. Let's go find a place to squat.
Yeah, let's go find a place to sit down. One of the great things about the theming in Universal is, like, we are over here close to the restrooms and Diagon Alley, Gringotts, kind of this area, and all I can smell is like a cinnamony, like holiday pumpkin spice smell. I don't know. It's just, I don't know where it's coming from. I don't know if it's coming from the shop over here or from the ice cream place or what, but it just smells so good. I could just stand over here all day and drink my fancy drinks. But we can't stick around forever, so we'll have to come back and smell those smells. We are about to head out of London on the Hogwarts Express straight over to Islands of Adventure so we can ride Hagrids. Okay, so we rode Hagrids. We got the very back. We had super fun time on Hagrids, of course. It took like maybe 45 minutes to get on it, and it had a 70-minute post wait, so it wasn't too terrible. When we got off of there, we was kind of hungry, so we headed over to the Fireeaters grill in the land, like just directly on the left side of Hogsmeade. And I was really eyeing a falafel gyro, however you say it. Mine was delicious. It came with hummus and carrots and celery, and then Wade got a chili cheese dog, like super long, with french fries. He said it was pretty good. Yeah,
it was pretty good.
Mine was amazing. Very fresh bread, and like the falafel was just like fall apart. It was just really, really nice and refreshing. We're sitting here in front of Fireeaters Grill, but in the front of, like directly in front of the bridge where VelociCoaster is. And last we checked, it was about a 40-minute wait. So I'm thinking we need to head over there. What about you?
Yep, I'm ready to do it.
Yeah, so it looks like they've made some changes since the last time we got on the bridge. Probably for our safety, but it looks really neat. So yeah, guys, let's go check out VelociCoaster finally. Obviously, we can only bring you to a certain point, and then we have to put you in a locker, but we'll show you as much as we can. Okay, we just got off VelociCoaster.
Amazing. That was so much fun, and
yes.
I typically am not a fan of massive roller coasters, but this one was so smooth and so fast that it was fun.
Yeah, it was like non-stop, just twisting and flipping and whatever all the technical terms are. We loved it. Like, it doesn't put you in a harness, so it doesn't like have you jarring on your head, which it actually doesn't jar at all. It's like as smooth as Mine Train, but in a coaster form, like a big coaster form. Wouldn't you say? Yeah, I mean, it was like the technology is out of this world. I don't know, it was just the coolest thing. We only
screws and
top hats
downs,
and
you go this way and back this way and over the water. You're upside down. It's just
it's so nice. I honestly have to I really want to make a point to ride Hagrids in this at least one more time today. I don't even care if we ride anything else. But I've got a toothache, so I really want to go back to the resort and get some medicine and just kind of relax maybe. So I think that we're gonna make our way out of the park, and it is like the hottest part of the day. So yeah, it's like 12:15. We've already had lunch. We've already rode like some big rides. So yeah, we're just gonna like mosey on out of here. I don't know if we're gonna walk back or catch the boat. Yeah, the boat was really nice and it was really quick. So yeah, but yeah, let's go to the resort and just hang out.
What'd you find in here?
Alright, so we already know that these are good. They're the exploding bonbons. Tried them last time. They're amazing. And we've never tried these, but I'm gonna say they're probably just as good.
Yep. We're gonna take them back to the hotel and find out for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna find them out. We're gonna find out as soon as we get some water at the hotel.
We made it back to our hotel and decided to relax. But anyways, Samantha bought two different Harry Potter snacks that we're going to try today. One of them we had before, so we're going to try that one first. And that is the, what is it called?
They're exploding bonbons. They're basically white chocolate with some orange and pineapple flavors going on, and Pop Rocks, if I can remember correctly. But look how like nice and fancy they look.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, we tried this a while back. One of our friends, Corey Booth from Let's Find Fun, actually bought these and shared them with us, and we've liked them enough to where we just continued to buy them every time we come.
I don't know if you guys can hear it. It just I love anything Pop Rocks. I can see Spaceship Earth. I know that's Spaceship Earth. I think that's Hollywood Towers here. I don't know what else I can see over there. Probably the castle. Is that the castle next to it?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So we do have a pretty banging view from our hotel.
Yeah. Which this is actually cheaper than what we paid for our All Stars rooms. We did get an annual pass discount.
Yeah.
So that's the reason that we tried this hotel out.
Yep, that's the main reason.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the snack that we have not tried, and it is the let's see, the Queen Bee Fizzing Whizbees. Let's see right there. And what this is a delicious snack, everybody's favorite. That's what it says. It's a chocolate fizzy fruit snack.
Okay. I like chocolate. I like fizzy.
And let's throw some fruit.
I like fruit, but I don't really know if I'd like. I like candy fruit a lot.
Oh, and then the shape of bees.
Bees. I don't know if you can see that.
Alright, so here goes nothing.
I'm still popping. I'm still popping, I don't know. Chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
The Pop Rocks are still going crazy. Unless these have Pop Rocks in them too.
I'm
Yeah,
sure
they
'cause
do.
They're fizzing.
Well, when I thought fizzy, I thought, you know the airheads? No, the warheads.
Oh, okay, yeah, with the little...
When they fizz.
Yeah.
I don't know how I thought this could actually do that, but that's what I thought when I thought fizzing. Oh, we got 2 Pop Rock streaks.
There was a lot of chocolate.
I can taste the fruit.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I was still fizzing from that.
See?
These aren't bad. The flavor is so good.
See? Everybody's favorite.
Well,
Everybody but mine.
I
But
was
me.
gonna say, these
Yeah, those are the good ones.
are really good. And I'm a huge, like, chocolate fan. Not so much white chocolate. I will eat it. But these are exceptional.
Let's see, and there's...
These are still really good, though.
So there's 10 of the bonbons that come in each pack. The cool thing is you don't have to buy these are not exclusive to the 2 Harry Potter parks. You can get those at
Almost
really
every gift shop.
Yeah, I mean our hotel gift shop sells all of this stuff. So don't think that you have to go to the park to get these. You can get them from any gift shop. You can probably actually get them in numerous places, not even near the resort, I would assume.
Google it.
Yeah, Google it. I guarantee you they're available somewhere.
Oh, you gave me a cup of ice.
Well, there's water in there to begin with.
Okay, we're gonna hydrate
And then
and
head back.
like clean off the sweat. And then I think we have a friend waiting on us
We do.
in Universal, so we really need to get back. We knew we were gonna meet John. He was working today, and as soon as he got off work, he was gonna let us know. We knew it was gonna be after lunch, but that was around the time that we started making our way back to the front. It took us a little bit longer than we thought. So when we were getting on the boat, he let us know that he was available. So yeah, now he's waiting on us. So we're just gonna try to like get a little fresh, get a little hydrate, and go back and meet him. So more
Yep.
park time.
More part-time.
Yeah.
All right. See you in the parks.
They gave us a magnet and a button. I got a solada, which is basically a pina colada, frozen. We got a beer.